Hello, people that exist. I need to record this opening segment in like 40 seconds, so this isn't too long. So I'm just going to say, well, I have all of these puzzles, and disclaimer, I'm going to be using this thing for, well, this, but, like, I have 2x2, pyramids, killer, pyramorphics, cube, 2x3, and that's the one I'm using the paper for. Ready cube, this, 3x3, 2x3s, bye. And it's going to show something else like later because I started this back. So I decided to also take the gear ball out because for some reason I completely forgot how to solve it. And, ooh, I have an idea. To replace it, we'll just add a worse 3x3. Worse. This will be my second to last puzzle. So it's going to go 2x2, whatever this thing's called. No, actually pyramids, and then the pyramorphics. Cube, which I might as well do that. This, ready cube, 3x3, 3x3. Okay, inspection. It feels so ridiculous doing it, but okay, I'm ready. I have this starting in 3, 2, 1. And that's that. Locks. Now I obviously have to do all of this. Both OLL parts. Ooh, yay, I didn't even have to do PLL. That's, good reconciliation. Or whatever I should say. Okay, good. There, good. Now, I'm horrible, as you can see. That's like the only thing I can do that's actually kind of quick on this. Now I'm messing up at that because I don't know why. There we go. That's just this, that's that. So now I have to do that, which then misplaces this, which then I can just add with that. And then I have to do one of these. I don't know any shortcuts to this, just like, should probably actually learn how to solve it. Okay, we're on to this, which had a bit over a minute on the timer. So, I'm doing this kind of by how easy they are to solve, not by anything aside from that, or easy they are to solve for me, even though for some reason I'm having trouble with just the basic placement of an edge or a corner because it's 2x2, but like the basic placement of a piece. There, finally. Now I can just add this in. Thank you. What's this? So, let's see, I have these two in place. That means I just have to do, yep. Have to do one of these algorithms on top. And then I just have to do a switching algorithm here. I really don't know where I found half my algorithms for 2x2, like, well, the whole corner changing algorithm. I do not know where I found it. This thing takes so long. Like, this is more than half my time, but now Scube, which I kind of messed up on last time, but like, for some reason that took me so long to actually start, not just like figure out what the hell I was doing. And now it's like, let me see, might as well do it the way I do it on the top because I know that works. There, boom. Now top, sledgehammers, even though a very slow sledgehammer. Slow sledgehammers. Very slow sledgehammers. There, boom. Now I can do another sledgehammer. Ooh, and I didn't even have to do that. Lucky me. I'm gonna just think I did that again. Nope. What about again? Yep. Now, nope. Let's switch the centers around completely. There we go. Whew. This is taking so long. And then, this time, I'm going to try my other thought of how to do that. Oh, no, I don't even need to do it. Now onto this thing, which I'm going to read off of this, which will take forever. Okay, so... Because of that, it's going to take forever. Oh no, I can just do it like 4x4, yeah. And then, top and bottom layers, if I do, no pieces on the top layer, so, top layer, so, on the top, so B. If B refer to algorithm is bars on the left. Sorry. U prime F U F. Yes, that does that. And then line up solved layers. What? Cases from middle. It repeats steps for bottom layer but flip around. Okay, so that means then I need to do for the algorithm R2 U prime R2 F U prime F U F. Now for middle layer, line up solved layers cases for middle Y. Two pieces are flipped. Nope. All pieces are pretty much wrong. Yeah. Well, two sets of two pieces are flipped. Yeah, kind of. If Y, one also piece facing you. Z with one unsolved. Two unsolved facing you. Yes. Good. Sorry. I'm not really paying attention. If two unsolved facing you like this. R2. There. Now I just have same thing. I really don't know why this isn't working. The video said it would work, and it did work. Maybe then. No, wrong part. So you R2, middle twice, R2. Wait. X, all pieces are wrong line of cubes of wood. An R move is done. The two middle pieces facing you are the same color. Good. Sorry, I was looking at the wrong thing. Keep that R move, then do one middle turn to the right. Oh, to the right. Undo the R move, then undo the middle turn. So, okay, and then two sets of two pieces are flipped. So that means I have a Z. That means I have to do the R2, middle twice, R2, and then it's all. Finally! Now I can move on to the ready cube. Ready cube. Let's go. Nope, this is... So that means the red is on this side. So that means I can just do an insertion here. That. Where's the other red piece? There you are. Insertion. Got the bottom layer done. Now, yeah, this is hard to do in your hands, so I'm not going to do it in my hands. That means this is an orange place, so that means I have to do like, I can move that one, because then I need to move it again to get that. Good. Now I have this, it's gonna go on top. Then what about this? This one is going over here. Nope. Over here. Yes. And then we have one of these. So that means I need to cycle it. Nope. So cycle it so it's like that. Yes. Yeah, makes sense. Sorry, wait, no, because this needs to be on top, so that means cycle it so it's, no, cycle it so it matches? Yeah, cycle it so it matches. Sorry, I'm confusing myself. Yes, that's the right one to switch. No, the right one to switch. So bad. This is such a bad time, I think. Then I just need to do cycling a bit. Down. Dang it. I need to do that, but then that's that. And then it's cycling like. And I do not know what I'm doing. I'm just doing random stuff. Why can't I solve a ready cube? I can't solve a ready cube for some reason. I don't know why I can't solve a ready cube, but I can't solve a ready cube. Dang it. There. Nope. Still have another dang it. I'm just going to cycle. No. Yes. Now I just have these three. So cyclation. Now it's just these pieces. This piece needs to move back. Wait, no, it's this piece that needs to move. So that means I need to do like something like this. No, I don't want to move that. That means then I need to move something. I need to move this piece. So then I can move this piece back. And then, come on, Aaron. Cycles. Okay, finally figured it out. Now I'm on to a 3x3. Two 3x3s will probably take, well, here's the bad 3x3. This is going to take too long. But, it's a bad 3x3. And then I guess this isn't too bad, but it's still pretty horrible. Stickers are badly placed. That's the best of it. Really loud. And it's just the feel is bad. It's really scratchy and not in a sandy-ish way. And not like a bad scratchy way. Ooh, yay, now I have one of these things. 3x3 is much easier for me than those because I completely forgot how to solve those. That isn't a good thing. So now, ooh, yay, I only have one of these. It's a good thing for this thing. And then I have one of these. I have this. I'm really hoping that that this video isn't too long because then I'm going to have to cut something out or I'm going to not be able to upload it to YouTube. If you see this, then I've uploaded it to YouTube and that's a good thing. So, hi, if I've uploaded it to YouTube. If not, no one will ever see this and no one cares. Okay, and yes. I just do the beginner's method really quickly because I haven't learned anything better, even though I tried to learn F2L at one point. Which would have been faster, but I don't care because I'm already dealing with this. And then, wait. I almost just made it longer and more tedious for myself. Okay, now that I have one of these, yeah, this is a really nice cube. And I just have one of this. this done. Hi, that's a time of 13 minutes 7 seconds. Goodbye, I have no time.